What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty, and yeah, we are in a new place. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, where the heck are you, Rusty? Yeah, we are definitely in a new place. It is for a reason, though. We have our truck right there, and we are about to do our PTI. It is Monday morning, and yeah, I have a little to explaining to do. I do park, you know, at my shop where I'm rebuilding my semi truck, but I had to repark somewhere else closer to home because the problem is there's not enough parking spaces where I was. But yeah, that's another rant right there I can talk to you guys about later on. But we are getting loaded pretty much probably in Jacksonville or Savannah. My dispatcher is looking for a load right meow, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do our PTI. Why I started there is because yeah, I'm still driving my little red Prius purse thing right there, and yeah, I'm about to sell it because I need a truck from what I'm pretty much doing. You guys don't actually know about what I'm doing right now at the house, but yeah, it's pretty exciting. I might show you, I might not. Let's go ahead and do PTI and see where we're going today. A lot of people were asking me how I like this Cummins X15, and I actually very impressed with it. I know it's brand new. I think I got about 30,000 miles or 28,000 miles on this thing already. Very impressed with the fuel mileage compared to the Detroit engine. So yeah, what is going on here is so dirty, man. This whole truck is super dirty. I'm very embarrassed of it right now. I mean, look at this. Disgusting. She needs a wash, you know what I'm saying, guys? Oh yeah, also kind of bought a broom here from Harbor Freight for $11. It's the heavy duty wood kind, and I got it secured by this little thing. Oh my, dude, just look at this truck, man. I mean, it's just so dirty. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna, in this video, give it a nice little wash. But yeah, PTI is almost done. And guys, I think we're going not too far away from here to St. Mary's, Georgia, to Kentucky. I was a little bit wrong. We have 27,000 miles, so yeah, not bad for a 2022, if you know what I'm saying. And we are getting dispatched, I was correct. St. Mary's, Georgia to Kentucky. I love Kentucky. You know why? Because they pay great out of there.
Hello, I like money.
But you know what? They don't pay great out of Jacksonville, Florida or Georgia, around my area. It's just especially on Monday, a lot of you guys will know that on Mondays everything's very competitive. Everybody's trying to move out on Monday and the rates are kind of low. So like always, guys, I'm gonna be telling you what this load pretty much paid at the end of this trip, so that's probably gonna be tomorrow morning. So yeah, never lie on that, guys. I'm always truthful. This load yeah, is not the best, so just get ready for that. And all you guys are gonna make fun of me why I took this cheap load, but I guess you'll find out how much it is probably in 10-15 minutes of this video, I guess. Also, I do have another surprise. I am idling my truck right now because after PTI I'm trying to warm up the truck a little bit before I get going, but I do have another solution for an AC unit, and yeah, it's strapped on top of my bunk right there. I will explain and show a little more of that beauty right there, but that's a $2,000 unit right there, by the way, guys. So yeah, we'll be showing you that in a second. Let's go ahead and pick up that load and get going. Alrighty, boys, it is like 90 degrees outside in Georgia right now. We got the green light still. He's about to turn it red. We're loading up with paper rolls. She heavy. But yeah, the truck is off, and let me show you guys something. This is pretty sweet system. I got my little ladder up, and what do we have? Yeah, a lot of people actually gonna know what this is. This is called the Zero Breeze AC unit, and it is battery powered. So I got my battery hooked up there. You guys are gonna have a lot of questions, so let me explain. This unit is called a Zero Breeze Mark II. So this is the second generation that had a first one. This Mark II is super awesome. Like, they gave me 2 battery packs with it right here, and right now I have it on. Can you guys even hear it? It's super quiet, and it is battery powered. It barely wastes any energy. It's on full blast right now, and I've been testing out this unit for about 2 weeks now. There is a lot of positives, I'm gonna mention those, and there is a few negatives. I'm also not gonna lie about those, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I will be explaining a lot more about this. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not pretty much getting paid to tell you guys this, so it's gonna be pretty much my honest opinion. It comes with pretty much exhaust tubes, because any AC unit, you guys know, it needs to exhaust outside. So I have it in here. These are the exhaust inlet pipes, and it comes with this cutout, so you can cut this out in any shape you want. I have the window open. Also on the bottom right here is the water hose. Yes, a water hose, because you guys know AC units, they do leak a little bit of water, so I got a water hose going outside. Also, when I'm driving, I actually disconnect the water hose, but I leave these tubes out like that, and I turn off my unit because, you know, I'm driving. But when I'm sleeping or I'm sitting at a pickup like this, I have this on because I am trying to save fuel. Everybody knows I'm doing this lease thing, and I do pay for my own fuel, so this is a very good idea of doing that. And I have the AC pretty much vented out down right here, right into my bed area. I used to have the tube just hanging right here, and it just wasn't cooling me enough. When I sleep, I overheat. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just fat, I don't know, but I like it blowing right there, and it like cools my area really well. If you guys didn't know, cold air drops down, hot air rises. So yeah, that's why I have that AC unit up there. And yeah, I try to kind of place it like right here, right there, and just wasn't making any sense since I'm not utilizing the top bunk. I think this was a pretty decent idea. Got it all strapped down because, you know, we be rolling all the time. It's also a power bank. If you guys see right here, you got some USB ports here and there. Looks like a USB-C right here, something else right there. This is pretty cool, and you don't even have to use it for, you know, this kind of application while you're trucking trying to save money. This is actually meant for like camping, and it's meant for any other activities if you want. It's like a off-grid type of thing. Pretty much I have an inverter right here. This is the charger, and I got plugged in right there, and every time one of the batteries pretty much runs out, I just take this wire right here, and then I switch it to this battery, and then let this one charge. So yeah, 2 batteries is a must in this kind of application. That's what I would recommend. If you guys go ahead, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description about this company. They're pretty cool, but there is a couple negatives I'm gonna mention right now so everybody doesn't get mad at me. This is a small AC unit, okay guys? This isn't like an insane big one and you're gonna get super cold air out of it. That's not true. For example, right now, I turned off my truck like 15 minutes ago. I'm already starting to get hot, but when I go under here, it's nice and cool, but anywhere right here, it's really hot. It's not gonna cool down this whole truck automatically because it's 90-degree weather outside, but at night, this thing does wonders. For example, in the south, pretty much it's like 75-80 degrees at night. I know, it's unbelievable. This thing does a great job cooling you down so you don't have to idle the truck. But in other applications, when it's like this 90-degree weather and you're trying to cool down the whole truck with this, it's just not gonna work. So make sure you guys know that. And yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. You don't even need to use it like in applications like this. Like I said before, you can use it pretty much in anything you like. And I think this was a very genius idea. I really like the concept of it, and maybe they'll work on another one that produces way more power and it's, I don't know, maybe lasts a little longer. This lasts about 4 hours on sleep, and full blast right here lasts about 2.5. That's what I got out of it, but maybe you guys can get more out of it. I'm not sure. There's like a little light button here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a very interesting system. I really like it, so go ahead, check them out, guys. Yeah, anyways, we about to get loaded and then we're rolling out. Bruh, these things are gonna be heavy. At least they're not tall. Oh man, I need to slide my tandems a little way back. Yeah, I need to go get scaled out right after this because this is gonna be heavy. Everybody just scaled up, and yeah, we're heavy. 12,000 on steers, 31 on drives, 34,140 on the trailer. So we need to move it one more hole to the back, and then we should be good to go. Well, not should be, I know 100% we will be good to go. And let's roll out. Well, Georgia for you. Cops everywhere. I mean, there's, I don't know how much, I think it's like 7 or 8 cops in the, 50 miles I drove through Georgia. This guy right here, his load is shifted. It's like thin rebar or something like that, and man, it's leaning a little bit to the left. I'm pretty sure he knows it. There's like a piece of a thing sticking out right there. I think it should be fine. Just got to keep an eye on it. Welcome to North Carolina. Yes, North Carolina, and it is 6:30. So hopefully Asheville, North Carolina doesn't have traffic, but it probably will. They're doing a bunch of construction there. It's super annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer some questions some of you guys had and read down in the comments. I try to read most of them, so I'm trying to answer most of them also. Why did I start truck driving? I started truck driving because I actually didn't have a choice. All you guys know, I used to rebuild cars. I had a tire shop, had an automobile shop, and I was flipping cars here and there, making money that way. And oh my gosh, that noise is so annoying. And yeah, I was flipping cars here and there. Didn't work out. Shop rent went up. I could not make ends meet from what I was doing. I had to close down, and that's where I'm at right now, at my yard where all the semis are. My dad deals with semi trucks, and he has a CDL, and he talked me into getting one, which I had no choice. I had to get my CDL because I had to support my family, so that's why I did that. Also, it was interesting back in the day when my dad used to truck drive and still does sometimes. Pretty much I used to go on a race with him, and it's funny because everybody knows I'm not American. I am Russian, okay? Everybody know I'm Russian, blah blah, whatever. But in Slavic nature, they say we're gonna go to a race. They call it a race. We're like, давай в рейс заезжаем, or I'm going to race. Like, I don't know why they say that. It's so weird. So yeah, they call it going to a race. It's weird. But yeah, I mean, I thought that was like a fun little skit to tell you guys about. But yeah, I had to go truck driving. I had to get my CDL because I had no choice. I had to support my family. 35, 34 miles per hour going up this mountain in North Carolina. Yeah, so 77,000 pounds plus I fueled up makes me about 78,500 pounds. So yeah, I'm a fat boy right now, guys. It's gonna take me a while. That's what kind of sucks. Going through Kentucky, or going to Kentucky right there. Yeah, you gotta kind of travel through these mountain areas in the Appalachian, but whatever. It's all good. I'm the slow one here today. just hit I-40, and yeah, we have about, I think it's 58 miles to go until that junction in Tennessee. So yeah, we're gonna be going through those kind of crazy mountain areas. The big mountain pass, like 55, 50 mile per hour zone for trucks, we're gonna be passing here soon, but it's already getting dark, as you guys can tell, so I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see or not. There's a couple tunnels here and there. It's pretty nice views. But yeah, we're not too far, 200 something miles away from our destination in Kentucky. Morning, everybody. It is about 7 a.m. I am here at my drop-off. Not sure exactly where I am, just some plant, I guess. I'm hauling paper rolls, so I don't know. I do not know, but Kentucky feels pretty great. 7 o'clock. It is a little moist, it is a little warm, but yeah, we are at a drop-off, and let's talk about this load real quick. She was a heavy one. We were about 43,000 pounds. Yeah, heavy. Total with deadhead miles was about 700 miles. And this load right here for 1 day trip, well, it was yesterday pretty much, only paid out $1,600. So $1,600, which is very low. I do not take these kind of cheap freight like it says on my door. It's very low, but I mean, it is what it is. I had to kind of get out. A lot of people would know what I'm talking about. Out of Florida, pretty much out of Savannah area. Yeah, it's difficult to get out, especially on Mondays. So it is what it is. That's the price. That's what it is. But I know I'm in Kentucky. Kentucky loads pay way better. So I know that today we're gonna find a really great run somewhere, probably to Minnesota or something, somewhere I've never been to. I love going to different places, so stick tuned for that, guys. Also, I don't know if I showed you, but this is what it looks like from the inside of this right here. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, there's the two vents and then the water line sticking out right there. That's all you actually see from the mini AC unit right there. So yeah, that's all you get. It's pretty sweet. Well, I appreciate it for watching, guys. I know this episode's a little short, but hope you like everything I had in store for you guys. Man, and I did really want to clean this truck, but she a very dirty girl, and maybe next time. I know last time I actually did a truck wash, seems like not too long ago, but that was actually a month ago. Don't really record all the time. Only record when I'm going to new places to show you guys. So I appreciate it. Be blessed like always. Deuces.